If you're thinking about pursuing a career in the law, there are a couple things that I think that you should really focus on. One is find people who are lawyers, find people who went to law school and talk to them. People are really happy to share their information with you. I know it's scary to ask people who are attorneys or people who you admire or people you don't even really know about their career path and about what they do and what they've done to get there. But it's really important not to be shy about it. And it's really important to pursue that. One thing that would have helped me a lot in going to law school would have been to have known more people who maybe even came from a more similar background to mine who went through law school. I did talk to a lot of male attorneys, and I talked to a lot of people who came from money who went to law school, and their experience ended up being a lot different than my experience. So I think it's important to get a lot of different views. And also be prepared for people to talk you out of it. People say all the time, hey, you don't want to do that. It's no fun. It's really hard. The hours aren't great, et cetera, et cetera. But think about why you want to be an attorney and why you want to pursue it. And also know that that's part of the hazing that goes along with being in the legal community. We all say we don't like it. We all talk to people about how they shouldn't do it. But we're all doing it and we love doing it. I won't say everyone loves doing it, but I love doing it. And you also need to make sure you're getting really good grades. Pursue a lot of different interests. One of the things that makes you a good lawyer is knowing a lot of different things. So knowing how people operate, knowing about different businesses, knowing about animal husbandry, knowing about, why our water is shared the way it is shared in our state. These are all funny things that maybe don't occur to you when you're in 4th grade or when you're in 7th grade, but you have to know that these are things that impact our communities. And if you know a little about all those things, it'll be a lot easier for you to understand the law and the application of law to the situations that people are in. So you have time from now until you get to law school to learn a ton of things. And if you want to get into a good law school, you have to be able to show that you have diverse interests and that you've pursued a lot of interesting goals. So if you can get involved in speech and debate, or if you can travel somewhere to help people in another town or another country, or even within your own town, if you can do community service, if you can do some performance arts, any of these things that can help you to stand out as an individual amongst a lot of other people who are going to be competing for that same spot in law school that you are, that's going to put you in an advantage, not just to get into law school, but personally in your life.